AP Chemistry, Unit 4.4, Physical and Chemical Changes. Physical changes. During physical processes, the chemical composition of a substance does not change. There's only a change in the overall appearance of the substance. However, the identity of the substance does not change. The change involves changes in intermolecular forces only. So an example of a physical change would be when water turns into steam. The hydrogen bonding in between those water molecules are going to be broken, but the polar covalent bonds in between oxygen and hydrogen atoms within the water molecule, they are not affected by this, and they stay the same. So the composition of water does not change, but I am no longer attached or attracted to my neighbor nearly as much. That's why I'm able to go into a gaseous state. This is in contrast to chemical changes. Chemical changes, during chemical processes, a chemical composition of the substance is going to change. The reactants transform into products whose structure is going to be completely different than the initial reactants because the bonds in between those atoms are broken and the atoms are rearranged. Chemical processes involve breaking and forming of chemical bonds, and so we are dealing with intramolecular forces being the thing that is affected with chemical changes. If the bond-breaking process requires energy, it is going to be endothermic. The thing about endothermic bond breaking is that it will absorb the energy of the surrounding system. And so to the touch, it will feel cold because it is taking the energy from your hand in order to help the reaction go forward. But if the bond-breaking process is exothermic, which means it's going to release energy, then the energy from the system is giving energy off into your hand, and so it will feel hot. The overall energy is going to increase with endothermic processes and decrease with exothermic processes, even though endothermic feels cold and exothermic feels hot. So that might feel a little bit different than what you would initially presume. So an example of a chemical change would be when hydrogen gas is burned in the presence of oxygen gas, water is produced. The reactants, there were two hydrogen bonded to hydrogens and one oxygen bonded to oxygen. And in the products, we end up with a grand total of 4 bonds, 1 hydrogen to 1 oxygen each.